So let's talk about the next dragon that we will be creating, which is Peril. So Peril is very much looking like flames and a heat source. So I want to use colors that will kind of just, you know, give off the impression of heat, like flame. So for Peril, I'm going to use some bright orange and some yellow, like it's like a yellowish orange, to give the impression of like flame. I am going to make her details and horns in black so that it kind of pops out too. I do want to use translucent for the wings also. So I want to put some of those fiery colors in with my translucent to just make it a little bit, cool looking. And I will use acrylic paint in orange and in a golden yellow after I bake her to give her more of those little highlights and maybe add some like flamey details to the wings, things like that. Um, so let's discuss Peril a little bit. She is a female skywing, so she also has a unique feature or a condition actually that's very dangerous. She hatched with the condition known as fire scales. So fire scales causes the scales to be incredibly hot to the touch and burn almost instantly. So that's why, she looks kind of like fire. So she does have unusually bright, glowing, shimmering, fiery orange scales that emit smoke and heat, and it gives her the appearance of burning from the inside. So I think that's really cool looking, although very dangerous, but that, would be really cool if we could just get that look of flame for her. She is mentioned to have a long pointed tail, and she also is noted to have like golden vein kind of shapes running through her wings, and that's what I'm going to be using the paint for after I bake her. Her eyes are noted to be described like two small blue flames blazing through the smoke. So I'm going to use some blue beads, which will contrast her coloring, of course. And apparently, she is considered the most dangerous dragon there is. So that's Peril. Um, she is the main protagonist of her book, Escaping Peril. So that's what we know about her, and let's get started.